Hey, all you cool cats and kittens. Remember cash? Yeah, those flimsy green things we used to trade for stuff. Word on the street is that cash is going the way of the dinosaurs. Extinction level event, folks, and it's happening right under our noses. Why? Because there's a new sheriff in town, digital money, and it's not just your grandpappy's online banking anymore. We're talking cryptocurrency, blockchain, the metaverse stuff that sounds like it came straight out of a sci-fi movie. A really good one, all right? Get ready, because the way we buy our morning coffee, pay rent, and even get paid for our jobs is about to change forever. Think flying cars and robot butlers, but for your wallet, buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive deep into the future of finance. Before we jump into the digital rabbit hole, let's rewind a bit once upon a time in a land before iPhones and Amazon Prime. People used this crazy thing called bartering. You had chickens, I had shoes, we traded. Everyone went home happy except maybe the chickens. Then came coins. Paper money, banks, you know, the financial system we know and sometimes love, but just like that friend who still uses a flip phone, it's getting a little outdated. Enter cryptocurrency stage, left Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin. Yes, the one with the Shiba Inu dog. These digital currencies are shaking things up. They use cryptography, fancy word for super secure codes, and a decentralized system, meaning no one big bank or government controls it. It's like the Wild West of finance, but instead of cowboys and saloons, it's tech wizards and online exchanges. Giddy up. Imagine a digital token, kind of like a virtual gold nugget, but instead of keeping it under your mattress, you store it in a digital wallet. Don't worry, no actual wallets were harmed in the making of this financial revolution. That's cryptocurrency in a nutshell. These digital tokens use blockchain technology, which is basically a giant super secure online ledger that records every transaction. Think of it like a public notary, but instead of a stuffy old dude with a stamp, it's a bunch of computers working together. This decentralized system makes cryptocurrency transactions fast, secure, and pretty darn cool if you ask me. Plus, you can send money anywhere in the world without those pesky bank fees. Take that, traditional banking.
All right, let's get ready to rumble. In one corner, we have cryptocurrency, decentralized, super secure, and faster than a caffeine-fueled Cheeto on roller skates.
In the other corner, we have traditional banking, familiar, established, and about as exciting as watching paint dry.
Crypto offers freedom and anonymity, perfect for those who like to keep their financial business on the down low.
While banks offer stability and regulation for those who like their money tucked away safely with lots of rules and regulations.
It's a classic battle of old versus new, but here's the plot twist. They both have their pros and cons.
Who will emerge victorious? Only time will tell, my friends. Only time will tell.